Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about one of the worst things that can happen to your engine, a blown head gasket. If your car's been overheating, losing coolant, or blowing white smoke, this video is for you. I'll show you how to spot the signs, confirm the problem, and avoid expensive repairs. The head gasket sits between the engine block and the cylinder head. It seals the combustion chambers and prevents oil and coolant from mixing. When it fails, boom, your car can overheat, lose power, or even stop running altogether. The first and most common sign, overheating. If your car's temperature gauge keeps spiking, even after refilling coolant, the head gasket might be leaking. Hot gases from the cylinders escape into the cooling system, causing bubbles and overheating. Pro tip: don't keep driving if your car overheats. You'll make the damage worse. Sign 2. White smoke from exhaust. White smoke means coolant is leaking into the combustion chamber and burning off. It often smells sweet. That's the antifreeze burning. If you see thick, continuous white smoke, your head gasket might be blown. Sign number 3. Milky oil. Check your oil. If it looks like chocolate milk or coffee creamer, coolant is mixed with oil. That's a clear indicator of a head gasket leak. You might also see milky residue under the oil cap. Sign number 4. Bubbling in coolant reservoir. When the engine's running, look inside the coolant reservoir. Continuous bubbling can mean exhaust gases are entering the cooling system. Another sure sign of a blown gasket. A failing head gasket can cause misfires in one or more cylinders. The engine might feel weak, rough, or struggle to start. You can use an OBD2 scanner to check for misfire codes, usually PRO 300 to PRO 306. A lot of people think head gaskets just fail randomly, and they don't. There's always a reason. Usually the engine overheated first and then the gasket blew. It's the result, not the cause. Pro tip: always fix the reason your car overheated, like a bad radiator fan, clogged radiator, or low coolant, before replacing the gasket. Otherwise, you'll blow the new one too. To confirm, do a compression or leak down test. Low compression in one cylinder means leakage. You can also use a chemical test kit to detect exhaust gases in the coolant. Both are quick ways to know for sure. So, those are the top signs of a blown head gasket. If you spot any of these early, stop driving and get it checked immediately. Repair costs can range from a few hundred to a few thousand, depending on the damage. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more car repair tips, and I'll see you in the next one.